Adopting healthy dietary practices, skincare routines, and lifestyle decisions supporting skin health is necessary to get clear skin naturally. Here is a detailed description of how to get clear skin naturally. 1. Keep a healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet that is high in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These offer the vital vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your skin needs. 2. Cut back on sweets and processed meals because they can exacerbate inflammation and acne. 3. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and maintain your skin well moisturized. 4. Maintain good hygiene. Wash your face twice daily to remove makeup, excess oil, and grime using a mild, pH-balanced cleanser. To protect your skin, stay away from harsh soaps. 5. When washing your face, use lukewarm water because hot water might dry out your skin. Pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel rather than rubbing it vigorously. 6. Regular exfoliation. Exfoliation clears away dead skin cells, preventing clogged pores and dull-looking skin. 7. Use a gentle exfoliant once or twice each week to prevent overexfoliation, which can irritate the skin. 8. Moisturize enough. To keep your skin moisturized and to preserve a healthy skin barrier, apply a moisturizer that is appropriate for your skin type. 9. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, choose non-comedogenic, won't clog pores, products, sun protection. 10. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. 11. Wear protective clothing and a wide-brimmed hat when outdoors. 12. Control stress. Skin problems can be exacerbated by ongoing stress. Use relaxation methods to control your stress, such as yoga, deep breathing, meditation, or engaging in enjoyable hobbies. 13. Get adequate sleep so that your skin can recover and renew itself. 14. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, which might help to maintain a healthy complexion. 15. After you've perspired, take a shower and wash your face to avoid clogged pores. Remember that everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It may be helpful to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional for personalized advice and product recommendations tailored to your specific skin type and concerns. Thanks for watching.